Did you know that seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water? It's quite a surprising ability, isn't it? Unlike most animals, these resourceful birds have evolved to survive in diverse environments. One of their most unique adaptations is a special set of glands located just above their eyes. These glands function as natural filters, removing excess salt from the water they consume. This allows seagulls to quench their thirst in the ocean without any ill effects. Indeed, seagulls are one of the few species on Earth that can drink salt water without any harm. Scene script. Seagulls, they are not just beach birds, they are ultimate survivors. When you think of seagulls, you might picture them soaring over sandy beaches or perched on a pier, squawking loudly as they beg for scraps of food. But these birds are so much more. They are adaptable, resilient, and able to survive in a variety of habitats. Seagulls are not just coastal birds. They are found all over the world, from the icy shores of Antarctica to the hot sandy deserts of the Middle East. They can live in coastal areas, certainly, but they can also be found in the middle of the ocean, far away from any land. In fact, some species of seagulls are known to spend most of their lives at sea, only coming to land to breed. And it's not just the ocean that these birds can conquer. Some seagulls have even adapted to life in the desert. Yes, you heard that right, the desert. These birds have developed a unique ability to drink seawater and excrete the salt through special glands, allowing them to survive in harsh, arid environments where fresh water is scarce. But what is it that makes seagulls such ultimate survivors? It's their adaptability and resilience. They can fly long distances, withstand a variety of weather conditions, and eat almost anything. They are opportunistic feeders, willing to eat everything from fish and insects to garbage and carrion. This diverse diet allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats and conditions. Seagulls are also resilient in the face of adversity. They are known to be aggressive and assertive, traits that help them compete for food and nesting sites. They are not easily intimidated and will defend themselves and their young fiercely against predators. These birds are a testament to the power of adaptability and resilience. They show us that life can flourish in the most unlikely of places and in the harshest of conditions. Whether it's the harsh desert or the unforgiving ocean, seagulls have proven their survival skills time and again. Scene script. Seagulls are not picky eaters. In fact, their diet is as diverse as their habitat. Let's delve into their dietary preferences. At the top of their menu, you'll find fish and invertebrates. Seagulls are skilled hunters, capable of swooping down and catching their prey right out of the water. They're also quite adept at scavenging, picking out crabs, mollusks, and other small creatures from the shoreline. But the seagull's diet isn't limited to the sea's bounty. They're opportunistic feeders, which means they'll eat pretty much anything they can get their beaks on. This includes insects, worms, and even other birds' eggs or chicks if they're left unattended. Alongside their natural diet, seagulls have adapted to the encroachment of human civilization. They're known to rummage through garbage bins, landfills, and anywhere else they might find a neglected morsel. Leftover human food? Absolutely. They're notorious for snatching food right out of people's hands. It's not uncommon to see them hovering around picnics, outdoor restaurants, and food stalls, ready to seize any opportunity that presents itself. In urban areas, seagulls have even been observed eating items that aren't food at all, like plastic, which unfortunately can lead to harmful effects on their health. So, from the depths of the ocean to the heart of the city, seagulls are true dietary opportunists. From seafood to street food, seagulls will eat almost anything they can find. Have you ever wondered why seagulls are often seen around human habitats? Let's delve into the intricate relationship between seagulls and us, humans. Seagulls are known for their adaptability, and this trait is seen in their interactions with humans too. They've learned to live in close proximity to us, often in coastal towns and cities and even inland areas. But why do they choose to stay so close? Well, it's a matter of survival. Our activities often create a smorgasbord of food opportunities for these birds. Landfills, fishing boats, open-air markets are all prime dining spots for seagulls. Over time, seagulls have become more dependent on these human-created food sources. They've developed behaviors like scavenging and even stealing food right from our hands. Some might say they've become a bit too bold, but it's just another survival strategy in their playbook. But this relationship isn't just one way. We humans have influenced seagulls in more ways than just providing them with food. Our buildings and structures often serve as perfect nesting sites for these birds. And while we may not always appreciate their presence, especially when they're swooping down to snatch our sandwiches, they do play a significant role in our environment. Seagulls are excellent at keeping our beaches and waterways clean by eating dead fish and other waste. They also serve as a vital link in the food chain, providing meals for predators like hawks and eagles. Moreover, their presence is often a sign of a healthy ecosystem. However, this coexistence isn't without its challenges. The increasing number of seagulls in urban areas can lead to conflicts, such as noise disturbance and property damage. And in some cases, human activities have led to a decline in their natural food sources, forcing them to rely more heavily on our scraps. So the next time a seagull swoops down to snatch your fries, remember it's not just being cheeky, it's a product of centuries of adaptation and survival, shaped by our own actions. Despite their sometimes annoying habits, seagulls are an integral part of our ecosystem. Seagulls, they are much more than just beach birds. As we've journeyed through this video, we've discovered the unique characteristics and lifestyle of these fascinating creatures. Their special adaptation to drink salt water, a feat that most species on Earth are unable to accomplish, underscores their resilience and versatility. The survival skills of seagulls are nothing short of remarkable. From thriving in diverse habitats to weathering harsh conditions, these birds are the ultimate survivors. Their diet, a diverse array of food from fish to human leftovers, further highlights their adaptability and tenacity. And let's not forget their relationship with us humans. From being symbols of the sea to becoming our unexpected companions at the beach, seagulls have woven themselves into our lives in a way few other birds have. So next time when you see a seagull, remember, there's more to these birds than meets the eye.